Hello and welcome to TerraTom's Nexus of Information. On the screen, you are seeing Coffing Data Warehousing's tool of choice, the Nexus. Now, the Nexus can do many things that the other tools out there just can't. But as the old saying goes, actions speak louder than words. Let's start the Nexus and try to do something that most of us have done many times. Inner joins. So we've started the Nexus, and as you can see, we have our systems on the left side of the screen here. We have an SQL system, an Oracle system, Teradata system, etc. Let's use the Teradata system for now. So go up here and select Teradata for your system. And you can see that the databases for that system have been filled out in this box right here. For now, let's set the database to SQL_class. Let's see what tables are in SQL_class. We can do this by clicking on the plus sign next to the Teradata system, clicking the plus sign for SQL_class, and clicking the plus sign next to tables. Here we see all the tables that have been created in SQL_class. Now that we see the tables, let's get this join started. Let's click on the plus sign for the department table and the employee table, and let's go ahead and see what columns are in both of them. As you know, for a join, we're looking for two like columns that we can combine the tables with. And for these two tables, it looks like we have the department number column, which is located in both. So let's go over to our query window and begin writing this query down. As you can see, keywords are highlighted in blue. That is very helpful. After we're done, we click on the execute button located at the top here, and there we go, the successful inner join. That was fairly simple, but what if we're running hundreds of queries a day involving joins? That could take a lot of time out of your day. There has to be an easier way. Well, with the Nexus, there's always an easier way. Let's get a fresh query window up. You can do so by clicking on the New Query button located here. Now let's join the same table using the same like columns. However, instead of typing out the query, let's use the Nexus Super Join Builder. So move your cursor over the employee table and right-click on it. You will see the Super Join Builder on the top of the list. Click on it. And this is the Super Join Builder. You see the table name here at the top, and the columns along with the data types in each column. Click on the Add Join drop-down menu. When we press the drop-down, the menu will show you what other tables can be joined to this table. Now, since we set it up beforehand, the Nexus knows what tables join with which. So for now, let's click on the department table, and right now we should see both tables as well as a line that connects the like columns where the two tables can be joined. So let's click on the columns we want to see in our join. We can either click on the select asterisks, which will select all the columns, or click on individual columns from both tables. Let's just click on those individual columns. Oh, that looks perfect. Now, as you can see, there are a variety of tabs that we can play with up here, but for now, we're just going to ignore those. For a quick inner join, just hit the execute button located here. As you can see, our SQL is created for us, and our results are located at the very bottom here. An inner join with a few clicks of a button. Fantastic! I'm sure you have questions, like how do you set tables up in the Nexus that know they can join with each other? How complicated is that? What if you want to do more complicated things with a join? What if you want to do a full join or an outer join? What if you want to sort or add a where clause? What if you want to join a table from an Oracle system with a table from a Teradata system? Can you do these things? Well, with a Nexus, everything is possible. In the upcoming videos, you're going to find out how easy everything is.